Yung kay Cassie po, we're good friends naman. And kay Andrea, she's my best friend din. And then Kylie, we don't really talk much. I'd say mga 1 year na din. So, yeah. So, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
New concert.
We chose Total Experience. Actually, ako po yung gusto ko pong Total Experience kasi yung parang nickname ko po nung The Voice was the Total Performer din. So gusto ko pong ibigay sa kanila sa concert na to yung Total Experience naman.
Wow. So including yung mga, yung sabi mo, di ba, dancing,
Yes.
and then will you be playing like another instrument or
Not this
to
time.
complete it?
Opo.
And then ano sa tingin mo yung pinaka-significant change or difference nito dun sa MOA concert last time?
Yung concept po nung concert ko last year sa MOA was kind of like a birthday celebration. So, ito naman po parang I want to show people what I have more in store of. So, yun po yung papakita ko naman dito sa Total Experience.
And meron